Good morning, boys and girls. Today we learned about compound words. We learned that a compound word is made up of two smaller words. If you will recall, we looked at the word toothbrush. Toothbrush, we took apart, and it was made of two smaller words, tooth and brush. Oftentimes you can tell what a compound word means by looking at those two words. So a toothbrush is a brush for your tooth. So it's a toothbrush. Today, boys and girls, what you are going to do is you are going to build compound words. I am going to give you a list of words. You're going to cut these words out, and you're going to put them together and create at least 10 new compound words. For example, I have a word, play and ground. If I put these two words together, I have playground. So I would add this word on my list, playground, and then I'm going to draw a picture of my playground right over here. So you're going to build 10 words. You're going to write your 10 words down on your sheet. Then you're going to illustrate or draw me a picture of that compound word. Thank you. Good luck.